Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here with another layout that I got done at the June crop where I brought 20 page kits. I got 11 pages done. It was a day crop where it's from 9 to 9 and I got 11 layouts done, and this is the last layout, and I go back this coming Saturday and hopefully I get 11, 12 layouts done. The good thing is where I had created 20 plus page kits the last time, I have 9 or 10 that are ready. And then every week we've been working on what I'm calling the kit creation 2024. So I have lots of layouts ready to go for this coming Saturday, so I don't have to stress. Friday night, I'm just going to pack up a few, my ATG gun, my cutter, a lamp, probably an extension cord, because I got to film the whole time I'm there. So, but I don't bring a lot of stuff. Now, somebody said, why don't you just bring kits and then bring extra stuff like enamel dots and all that stuff? That's the point of doing these, is that I don't need to bring all that. And I use a lot of digital files that, my son created and we have up on our website. And I like to have those in each of the page kit. Can you imagine? I have 2 file folders cabinets full of digital files. What would I bring with me? So this way I have everything in a page kit. I bring X amount. I don't bring a lot. Like, it takes me literally not even 5 minutes to bring everything in, and I just have what I need, and that's it. And that's the way I like it. I don't like to bring a lot of stuff. I just like to bring the very minimum. It sounds like it takes me a long time to do these, but you know what? Ever since I started doing page kits, my page count that I get done per year more than tripled. Because when I used to go to a crop like this, and I used to bring everything under the sun, even if I brought, collections or whatever, because I had so much stuff there, it was overwhelming and I got nothing done. This way, I'm hyper focused, right? I start with the first page kit that's at the front. It has pictures and everything in it. A lot of times I even have titles and all that stuff. Now, I'm going to have 9 or 10 that are going to be at that level. And then there's going to be a few that I might not have the pictures for and that kind of things. And that's okay. And I think I've mentioned that before when I do the page kits, that, if something happens and you're able to go to a crop and you don't have to worry, you just grab, whatever page kit you have and you just go. Well, it couldn't have happened at a better time because, as many of you know, I watch my granddaughter, and one week I used to watch her 2 days a week, and then the other week I would watch her 3 days a week. Well, my son-in-law got a new position, still with the same company, but new position, and he thinks he's going to have to work Monday, only have Tuesday off, and then start his new rotation on Wednesday. So where normally, I would only get 2 days to get my stuff done, but this week I might only get 1 day. So I'm not going to have a lot of time to do a lot of different things. So, I have to make sure that I have my videos done for YouTube, and I have to make sure that I have my videos done for Patreon. Now, thankfully, I found out a few days ago. So last week I kind of put the burners on and did a whole bunch of, things done. And then this weekend I treated it like it was, work days. So I worked all day Saturday and I worked pretty much all day Sunday. Here it is Sunday at 8 p.m. and I'm recording my last voiceover for the day. So, But you know what? You just do what you got to do. And sometimes life throws you, little curveballs and you just have to deal with it. But because past me has been doing page kits in the kit creation for, I think this coming week is going to be number 7, I think is what yes, kit creation number 7. And I'm doing about 4 a week. So I have 28 page kits already. That's on top of those 10 that I didn't get done at the crop last time. So I'm all set. If next month I need to, or I want to go again, I have 28 of those page kits that I can just pop pictures in and I'm ready to go. But to this layout here, back to this layout, I just thought I'd mention that because it saved my butt this time. So this page kit here took me 17 minutes to complete, and it has 2 pictures. This was a campground that we were at in Vancouver, BC. It was a lovely campground, but man, was it ever a tight squeeze. When we drove up to our campsite, we're like, yeesh. Can we fit our trailer in there and open the sides and have room, to kind of walk around? It fit. And, we weren't there much. And that's the thing when you go away to somewhere like that, most of the time you get up in the morning and you go, right? You go visit. And one thing that we really liked about this campground was the laundry facility was amazing. Like, it was nice, big, clean. There was like 2 pools, I think, and the pools were nice and clean and amazing. They had nice big showers, because when you're 5 in a trailer and you're there for, almost 2 weeks, you don't want to be using the shower because your tanks are going to be filling up all the time. And yes, you could drain them. I'm pretty sure we could drain them right there. We didn't have to, take it out and drain it. But still, the shower was like 2 rows from where we were staying at. So it was amazing. Plus, our favorite thing was we just walked a little bit, like just turned left and then right, and we were on to a trail, and it was like a 2K trail one way. So we would, in the morning, before we would go out adventuring, Dave and I would go on our 4K walk, because when you're out and about and you're seeing stuff, it's not the same as a walk. Yes, you get your steps, but it's not the same, fast-paced walk. So we absolutely love this campground. So I wanted to make sure that I documented it. Yes, it was a tight squeeze, but we absolutely loved it. So, but that's it. That's going to complete this layout. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit subscribe. If you're enjoying these videos, if you wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.